We used to think that people match careers and careers match people. Predictable paths, one career, one future. Graduate, work, retire. One walk, one talk. That person for this job, this person for that job. We used to think a lot of things. Now, in these times of exponential change, our young people are more like sailors than ever before. By early adulthood, each faces a vast ocean of reshaped work cultures requiring specialized knowledge and skills. As sailors, they need navigation knowledge and competencies to manage the vessels they sail in. And building these new navigation mindsets for today and tomorrow means that we need to reshape our education environments through prioritizing effective career management. This gives each person the hands-on, brains-on ability to make choices, seize opportunities, and construct their personal and working life futures. This is the difference between having events, beliefs, and prejudices determining where you go in life and having knowledge, competencies, and self-confidence to design your own journey. Finland operates quality career management from early years through to adulthood. As in other high-performing global education systems, the impact on the individual and society can be profound. Skills in managing change and developing a positive self-concept helps power independent career-building processes. Leading the world on so many social and educational indicators, Finland's size and scope enables rapid design and testing of evidence-based educational processes. Building navigation skills for career management from an early age is one of Finland's hidden gems. Come and see.